So I'm going to give you a tip from the air. Now, I've got years of experience in doing aerial inspections for properties. And one of the tips that I can give you is uh, don't get pushed into something that you don't feel comfortable in doing. I mean, everybody wants you to be up there and flying your drone and capturing the imagery that they want you to capture. But there are certain days where weather conditions may not be conducive to being able to fly, or you may have to actually change your flight patterns just due to the weather conditions, such as high winds or rain or fog or things of that nature. The one thing that I do see is that people get anxious. They think the drone is really kind of a toy when it comes down to capturing imagery, and it's not. That thing is going up into the national airspace, and there's manned aircraft in the national airspace, and you are liable for if you hurt somebody or hit something. So, the tip of the day is don't get pushed into doing something that you feel uncomfortable with.